Today's strategy, goals galore, over 1.5 strategy. Goal, to get a quick victory by using competitive matches with a lot of goals. Step 1, select matches with goal character. Use Flash Score or Sofa Score to examine H2H, the last 5 matches between those teams. Select matches whose 4 out of 5 matches have ended in over 1.5 goals. Step 2, check the team form. Each team has scored at least 1 goal in 3 of the last 5 matches. Avoid teams with too many clean sheets. They may have a defensive approach. Step 3. The odds are not too low. Make sure the odds of over 1.5 are from 1.25 to 1.45 to have value. Do not bet on odds of 1.10 or less. The risk is high, the profit is small. Bonus type. Include 3 to 5 matches for multi-bet or 1 stake in a single game with a high point. Sample tickets. Today, 1. Dortmund versus Leipzig, over 1.52. Ajax versus PSV, over 1.53. Al Ahly versus Zamalek, over 1.5.